If you're watching this video, chances are you're not just curious about XsoraAI, you're probably asking a much more specific question in your head. Something like, is XsoraAI actually worth paying for? Or is it just another AI tool that looks good on the sales page but disappoints once you log in? That's exactly what we're going to answer in this review. I want to be very clear from the start, this is not a hype video. I'm not here to tell you XsoraAI will magically change your life overnight. What I am going to do is walk you through what it actually does, who it makes sense for, who should avoid it, and what kind of realistic results you can expect if you decide to use it properly. So if you're someone who wants clarity before spending money, you're in the right place. Most people looking at XsoraAI fall into one of a few groups. You might be a beginner who keeps hearing about AI tools but feels overwhelmed and confused by complex dashboards. You might be a marketer or business owner who wants to save time, automate tasks, and increase output without hiring more people. Or you might be a student or freelancer trying to produce content, ideas, or workflows faster, without burning out. The main pain point XsoraAI is trying to solve is actually very simple. Too many tools, too much complexity, too much time wasted switching between platforms. XsoraAI positions itself as an all-in-one AI assistant designed to simplify work, speed up execution, and reduce the mental load that comes with content creation, planning, and digital tasks. Now let's talk honestly about who this is for. XsoraAI is for people who value simplicity and time savings. If you want a tool where you can log in, choose what you want to do, and get usable output without watching hours of tutorials, this fits that mindset. It's especially useful for beginners because you don't need deep technical knowledge. You're not coding. You're not configuring complicated systems. You're guiding the AI with intent, not micromanaging it. For professionals and marketers, the value comes from speed and consistency. Tasks that normally take 30 to 60 minutes can often be shortened dramatically when you have a structured AI system helping you think, write, or plan. Now let's be fair and talk about who XsoraAI is not for. If you're someone who expects AI to do everything without your input, this is not for you. If you enjoy extremely technical tools with infinite customization and complex settings, you may find this too simple. And if you're not willing to actually use the tool consistently, no AI platform will help you. XsoraAI is not a press one button and get rich system. It's a productivity and execution multiplier, not a replacement for thinking. Let's break down how XsoraAI actually works in real-world use. When you log into the platform, you're not overwhelmed with dozens of confusing menus. The interface is designed to guide you toward specific actions, content creation, idea generation, planning, and assistance tasks. Instead of asking, "What should I do with this AI?" the platform asks, "What do you want to achieve right now?" That shift alone makes a big difference, especially for beginners. You're not starting from a blank page. You're starting from intent. Features are built around outcomes, not technical labels. And that's important because it reduces friction, which means you're more likely to actually use the tool. Now let's talk about realistic results, because this is where most reviews fail. In the first 7 days, most users notice one main thing. They're getting things done faster. Not perfect results. Not life-changing money. Just faster execution and less mental resistance. You stop procrastinating as much because the starting point is easier. By 30 days, something more interesting happens. You start trusting the tool as part of your workflow. Instead of opening 5 tabs and switching between tools, you rely on XsoraAI to assist your thinking. That alone can lead to better consistency, which matters more than raw talent. By 90 days, if you're using it properly, the real benefit becomes clear. You're producing more output with less stress. That's where ROI actually comes from. Not from the tool itself, but from what it allows you to do consistently. Let's address the big objections people usually have. First, is it legit? Yes, XsoraAI is a real platform with a real interface and real functionality. It's not a fake demo or a hollow dashboard. Second, is it expensive? That depends on how you measure cost. If you compare it to hiring help, multiple software subscriptions, or lost time, it's relatively affordable. If you compare it to doing nothing, then any tool feels expensive. Third, is there a learning curve? There is a learning phase, but it's mild. Most users can start getting value within the first session. Now let's do a light comparison. There are plenty of AI tools on the market. Many of them are powerful, but also fragmented, complex, or overly technical. XsoraAI's advantage is not that it's the most advanced AI in the world. Its advantage is usability. It's designed for humans who want results, not engineers who want control panels. That's why it works well for beginners and busy professionals alike. So here's the honest bottom line. XsoraAI is not magic. But it is practical. If your goal is to save time, reduce overwhelm, and execute faster, it's worth considering. If you want to check current pricing, bonuses, or availability, I've put the official link in the description below. That link also supports this channel, so I appreciate you using it. Take your time, read through the details, and make the decision that fits your situation.